Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem involving numbers and digit manipulation. The goal is to repeatedly replace a number with the sum of its digits until it becomes a single digit number. By the end of this tutorial, we will understand how to use loops, modular arithmetic, and recursion effectively to solve such problems. The problem requires us to repeatedly sum the digits of a number until it reduces to a single digit value. Each iteration counts as one step. For example, for 123, the sum of its digits is 6, so it takes one step. For 156, the process involves two steps. First, 156 into 12, then 12 into 3. This ES5 implementation uses a helper function, digit sum, to calculate the sum of a number's digits. The main function, digit to 1, counts the number of steps needed to reduce the number to a single digit. The loop continues until the number is less than 10, ensuring that the result is a single digit. Here's how it works. A helper function calculates the sum of digits. The main function tracks the steps needed to reduce the number. And finally, it replaces the number with the sum of its digits until a single digit value is reached. This structured approach ensures the result is both correct and efficient. Let's analyze these examples. For 123, summing its digits gives us 6, which is a single digit, so the process takes one step. For 156, the first sum gives us 12, and the second sum gives us 3, resulting in two steps. These examples illustrate how the function handles both simple and multi-step cases. The ES6 version simplifies the syntax using modern JavaScript features. Arrow functions for concise helper methods, const for immutable variable declarations. The logic remains the same, ensuring consistency and readability. In summary, this program effectively demonstrates how to iteratively process a number to reduce it to a single digit sum. This is a great example of using modular arithmetic and loops to solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.